Sorry about the breeze. It's kind of cool out today, but today I'm going to do another little project on the car. As you can see, I installed ignition coils and plugs. There's tons of videos of that, so I decided to make no video about that one. But today we're going to address the induction here, and more specifically cold air intakes. Now, you've seen in my older video why I didn't make a cold air intake for the 2003 Crown Vic. Well, I think I found the answer to it, and it's made by JLT Performance. It's a cold air intake adapter that replaces this air box with a bracket, adapter, and a cone and a heat shield. So basically you're just replacing this piece and you're reusing everything going back there. And it's supposed to give you at least a 6 with a single exhaust horsepower increase up to a 12 horsepower increase if you have the dual exhaust on your Crown Vic. It doesn't require any tuning, but it doesn't hurt to do it because you might be able to get a little bit more horsepower out of your car. So enough talking, let's get to work. But first thing first, disconnect the battery cable. If you remember this is the Taurus. Okay, the kit comes with an air box, adapter bolts, and the air filter. So first thing first, we got to remove this. First you unplug the mass flow air sensor, and then on both these, remove the filter, and then there's 3 bolts, 1 here, 2 in the back, and this whole section will come out. And also remove this clamp so you can remove all this in one piece. Okay, I took the whole piece off, put it to the side, and like I said here, here's the 3 bolts that you take to remove this bottom piece. So bolt here, and 1 right there. Just gotta take this off and remove those 3 bolts. Removed it, but I'm gonna keep that below our air box. You don't know when you might need it, but you won't need that part anymore. Next to the okay, I just removed the mass airflow sensor housing from the air box. And now what you're gonna do is, using the supply adapter, hook the adapter to the back of this, and there's also a little L bracket that holds it in place. Put those on, but you leave them loose because you need some adjustment before you tighten everything down. Okay, I just put the billet adapter on and all 4 bolts. You also got this support bracket right here. You leave that loose because you're going to do some adjusting. Now I got to assemble this with the air box that and here's the assembly. What I'm about to do is put this through the hole here in the shield, put the clamp on here, clamp here, and put the clamp on here, and it'll sandwich the mass airflow sensor through the heat shield, through the air filter, and then I'll be able to mount this. So let me put this together. Here's the assembly together. So next thing I need to do now is put it back here, use the bracket here, one of the threads, tighten it up, then tighten that bolt up, and make sure everything is straight, and then it's plug and play. So let's put this in first. And there it is. I made sure to make sure the brackets are tight. All the bolts around here are tight. This bracket here is tight. And I retightened everything here. And that's it. I plugged in the mass air filter sensor. Now the only thing you need to do is hook the battery back up and have fun. And like I said, this setup, just replacing this air box, supposed to give you 6 horsepower if you have the single exhaust, and 12 horsepower or higher if you had the dual. And it doesn't require any tune. And that's it for today. Just wanted to show you my little upgrade I did here. More videos to come. Until next time, I'll see you.